I don't want to write a of 1. Okay, we should not select, we cannot select specific elements. We cannot select specific elements to initialize. Means my point is what? See here, if I take five elements, I want to initialize only specific elements. Example, here 5 elements are there. I want to initialize this, and I want to initialize this. Okay, only specific positions or specific elements I want to initialize. It is not possible. We cannot initialize right this point. 18th. We cannot initialize specific elements. We cannot initialize specific elements in array. This is not possible. This is not possible. Okay, if you want to initialize from left to right only, we can initialize. From left to right only, we can initialize. Okay, are you following? You understood this point, right? 18th one.
Yes, sir.
Understood. We cannot initialize specific elements. We cannot initialize specific element. Okay. Yeah, these are the different array declarations. These are the different array declaration. Now we'll discuss how to access array elements. We discuss now how to access array elements. How to access array elements. Important program. See, if you understand this program, you can understand entire C program. This arrays concept you can understand. How to access array elements. Right, next we can access array elements. We can access array elements two ways. We can access array elements two ways. One is using indexes. Second one is using pointers. We can access array elements two ways. We can access array elements two ways. One is using index and using pointers. Okay, write this point. We discuss the program. How to access the array elements. What are the different ways? All right, I will tell you. How to access array elements. We can access the array elements two ways. One is using indexes. And the other one is using pointers. Finished now? Okay. See guys, now we discuss how to access the array elements. Example, I have taken 3 elements. See guys, 3 elements I have taken are 5. Take a 5 elements. Okay, int a of 5. If I take int a of 5, example, how it takes the elements, this way it takes the elements, right? First element is 10, this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, and this is 50. Okay, now a I have taken, and as well as pointer also I want to take. Pointer also I will take. That is, a is also pointer and p also pointer. See, now I will take a pointer also, p also, star p. P is also pointer. P is pointing to that array. Example, p equals to address of x I have written. Means what? P equals to address of x means p is also pointing to that array, right? P is also pointing to that array. What is the main difference between a and p? I will tell you. This is also pointing to this location. Okay, p is pointing to this. Now I want to print a and p values. Okay, see guys, now I want to print a and p. How to print a and p? Now I want to show you. See how to print a and p. A and p are addresses, right? Percentile u and percentile u. Print a and p. If I use a and p, it prints the addresses, right? Percentile you are using. Once I execute this, one error, that is undefined symbol x. Sorry, this is what? P equals to address of A. Or we can write A also. Both are same, right? P equals to A or P equals to address of A. These all are same. Why? Because A and if I say A or address of A or address of A of 0 or A plus 0, whatever it is, right? If you say whatever the value it is, A or address of A or address of A of 0 or A plus 0, this is what address of first element only. Now address of A of 0, we can write address of A of 0. This is also same. And also P equals to A plus 0. If I say A plus 0, this is also same. Okay, it is pointing to the same first element. Now what is A and P? Check it once. It is pointing to 65,516, 516, right? Here I have taken 1,516, right? Now I printed A and P. What is star A, star P I want to print? See guys, here I want to print a star A, star P. Print once. Now I want to print star A. How to print a star A? Percentile D I am using, percentile D. Print a star A. How to write a star A and a star P? If I use star A. Guys, tell me what is star A and star P? Yeah, Nitin. Yeah, Dolika. Dolika.
Sir,
What is star A, star P?
starting at star A is starting address of A.
What is A then? Previously, what did you print? API we printed, right?
A is the address. A is the address
A
of
is the
A.
address. What is star A
A
then?
is the start value.
Then what it prints now?
Then
No, Dolika. See, A is pointing to this. P is pointing
sir.
to this. What is star A, star P? Pointers, did you understand pointer? P and star P difference is what?
P stores the address of A.
Good. Star P?
Star P is the value of A.
Value in that location. P, if P is the address, if P is the address, star P means value in that location.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I write A and P, what it is printed? Tell me. What it is printed? A and P values?
Address of A and B.
What address of array? First element it has printed, right?
Yes,
What is
sir.
this value? Address of first element. Address of first element. APR address of first element. Address there. Star A, star P. What is that? Star A, star P.
First value, sir.
Yeah, what is first value here?
10.
Yeah, that is output. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is 10 and 10. A and P are addresses of first element. Star A, star P is 10 and 10. Okay, guys, see, I want second element address. If you want second element address, how to get a second element address? See, we can get a second element address. We can write like this: address of A of 1. Are you following? If you write address of A of 1, second element address you will get. Or we can write A plus 1. This is the way you can write. If you want third element address, then how to write address of A of 2, or we can write A plus 2, we can write. This is the way you can write the addresses. Okay, now I want to display all elements addresses. See guys, I want to display all elements address. How to display all elements address? First element, second element, all elements address I want to print. Percentile U and percentile U, percentile U, percentile U, and percentile U. Why? Because 5 elements are there. Can I write A plus 0, A plus 0, A plus 1, right? A plus 2, and A plus 3, and A plus 4. These all are address of elements. Okay, 0th element address, first element, second element, third element. See this? It's a 516. Next element 518, 20, 22, and 24. Got it? This? Are you following? I printed those elements. Okay, address of those elements. Sai Nikita, are you following?
Yes, sir.
You understood, right? This is all elements. Now I want to display first 10 element. What are the ways? I told you we can access their elements two ways. One is using index and using pointers. Okay, using index, how to display first element I want to display. See, here I want to display first element. How many ways we can display first element? Example, see, first element I want to display. First element. Percentile, okay, percentile. See, we can write three ways with respect to a. If I write a of 0, what it prints a of 0? Tell me, guys.
10, sir.
10. Good. Can I write 0 of a?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We can write a of 0 or 0 of a. Both are same. Okay. Now a plus 0 is a address. Are you following? A plus 0 is the address. How to get the value?
Star of A
A
plus
of
0.
1.
Are you following? Star of a plus 0 is the address. Star of, we can write a plus 0. If I write star of a plus 0, that element you can get. See, guys, how I am printing a of 0 or 0 of a and star a plus 0. See this. First element is 10, 10, 10. If you want to print a second element, how to print a second element? Tell me, guys.
A of
How to?
1.
Yes, good. Now, see, second element I want to print. Okay, all elements you can print like this. Second element. How to print a second element? See. Percentile, right? And percentile. Three ways we can write percentile. Instead of a of 0, we have to write what you have to write? A of 1 or 1 of a or star
A of A plus 1.
a plus 1. 1 plus a also we can write. Okay, we check it that also. See this? Second element is 20, 20, 20. This is what with respect to a. Are you following, guys? This is with respect to a. P is also pointer, right? We can access with respect to p also. How to access with respect to p? This is the first and second element I have printed with respect to p. How to print with respect to p also? See, now I want to print it with respect to p. Okay, first element I want to print with respect to p. Okay, here I will write p using p. I want to print. Okay, are you following, right? I want to print using p. How to print using p? Okay, see once. I want to print a first element. How to print a first element here? Now I want to print a first element. Okay, see, percentile, and percentile. P is also pointer. If p is also pointer, we can write p of 0. This is valid. Why? Because p is pointing there. P is pointing there. 0 of p also valid. Now what we can write? Star
P plus 0.
yeah, p plus 0 we can write. Star p plus 0. If I write star p plus 0, that elements will be printed. See this first element 10, 10, 10 using p it is. Okay. Same way here, how you are printing a with respect to p also we can print. Same it prints. I want to show with p also. See once percentile addresses it prints percentile and percentile u. See, if p is a pointer, p plus 0, p plus 1 and p plus 2 and p plus 3 and p plus 4. With respect to p also it shows same. See that. This is with respect to a and with respect to p. If a or p are pointers, what is the difference? What is the difference between a and p? Guys, if I say p plus plus, where it goes? If I say p plus plus, it will move to the next location, right? Are you following? If I say p plus plus, it will move to the next location. But if I say a plus plus, it won't move. That is the disadvantage. A is called constant pointer. P is called variable pointer. Now p plus plus is valid. P plus plus is valid. There is no errors. Okay, it will move to the next location. But a plus plus is a error. See once if I compile, it gives error. That is L value requires some error it gives. Why? Because this is a valid. This is valid because of variable pointer. It is a variable pointer. Variable pointer means one location to another location it can move. Are you following? Variable pointer. Variable pointer means previously it is here now. Previously it is here. P plus plus. If I say P plus plus, it will move to this location. If I say p plus plus, it will move to this location. P plus plus, it will move to this location. P plus plus, it will move to this location. But a is a constant pointer. It cannot move to the other locations. We cannot move. Right? That is error. This is a why, because it's a constant pointer. We cannot move to other location. It is error. It is a constant pointer. We can't move to other location. It's a constant pointer. We cannot move to other location. Clear, guys? Write this program.